Is it possible that this product now it's better than the predecessor? Is it good? Is it bad? What is my first reactions and what is my thoughts about redesigning something that in my opinion was already really good? Hi everyone, Marcus here from EdTech, and if you love tech and if you love Apple HomeKit, this is definitely the place for you because I bring a lot of products from Evo, Nanoleaf, Goovy, and so on and so on. So if you want to know a little bit more about the products that we have available for your home, definitely stick around. So Evo have just changed the design like I was saying. This device also continue to comes with Matter, but their old generation that was in this box, this was basically created in 2018. So here you have in 2025 a new generation of this one. We'll see if that is something new on the app, but I don't think that is nothing different. It's just a smaller size, and we'll be talking a little bit more and see also how big is this screen. Obviously you'll have your app that will talk a little bit further, but the box is basically the same as you are used to see on a box from Eve. And I didn't want it to open because there is not a lot to talk about it. So I wanted just to save my reaction to you guys. You'll be able to understand if I think it's a better form factor or not compared to the other one that in my opinion was quite good. So yes, it was a big form factor for what it is, but in my opinion that it's never been a big issue, only if you want to put this somewhere that is quite small. And here you have on the top obviously an image like you are used to see in every Eve product, and on the back is saying that it's compatible with Apple HomeKit and obviously Google, and also you have the app from Eve. So inside here you'll have your manual that, to be honest, is not really relevant, but it's just to show to you guys. It shows you obviously how to do it, and we'll be talking a little bit more about how it is to open it. You have your batteries, and in this case you have Duracell batteries. Okay, some screws, some adapters if you need it. And here you have the device itself. I really like the coating on this section here. I really like it. Really feels premium. You have the buttons, the signals are exactly the same, and I'll pick it up the other version so you'll be able to see how much difference in size it is. But just without having it next to it, I don't see a massive difference in size. Obviously you have here this glossy finish on the top. I don't know if you guys can see, but I think you can. The logo of Eve, and you have the door to open. And that was something that I didn't like it so much on the other version, and you'll be able to see it. But here obviously you have your code, but it's so easy just to open and put your batteries in. 1, 2, close, and you have your reset button there, so definitely a plus. And this was one of the things that I didn't like it so much on the other one, because if you have to basically try to reset because you are trying to connect to Apple HomeKit and it doesn't work, that door was not easy to open. But this one, as you can see, is super easy to open and close. So definitely a massive improvement compared to the other one. The screen is it seems not as bright, or maybe it's because I have this light pointing on the top, but yeah, the numbers seems very similar in size compared to the other one. So let's put side by side with the previous generation, and as you can see, and this was the first thing that I just pointed out, this looks so much cheaper than the new generation. It looks much better here than it is in here. And also when we look here to the dents, is quite different. So this one is all black, and this looks a little bit more take care of. So definitely an improvement in that section. I really don't like the black. It makes no sense when all this is basically white. So it's a massive contrast. So I don't like it so much. So I definitely think that they have improved quite a lot in there. When we talk about the vents on the new one is here on the top, but in this one you can see that it happens on the back and on the front. And when you look to the screen, you'll be able to see, and let me just try to press so you can see that the brightness is very similar. And I'll say that the new one is slightly brighter than the previous generation, but not too much. But definitely the color is different. So this is more creamy, and this one, the old version, is more white. But yeah, like I said to you guys, one of the things that I hated the most on this device is definitely the opening and closing of this door, because you really need to push it to be able to open. So it's not an easy open like is this one. The product is new in my hand, and you can see that I open and close without a problem. And I was always concerned, sometimes even there is some marks in there. I was using a tool to try to open, because now it's a little bit looser because I open and close a few times, but definitely something that you should be aware of, that they have improved massively on the new generation. And obviously, like I said, when you are looking to the screen, they look basically the same size, no problem whatsoever. But when you look how deep it is, definitely this one is much more compact than the previous generation. When you talk about the app, I like a little bit more control. I would like that when you put here a temperature, it's going to really calculate the temperature of your room and not the temperature that is coming to your radiator. So definitely something that I would like to see improved on this product. And I think that Eve have plenty of space to do it. When we talk about weight, also something just to point it out, the new one feels slightly heavier than the old one, so definitely something that I like. This is not to be on your pocket, but it feels more premium in your hand than this one. And also the plastic feels more premium than this one. This feels more plasticky than the new generation. So I really have to say that I simply love it. When you talk about functionalities, obviously you'll be able to turn on, turn off, you'll be able to create some schedules, you'll be able to see the temperatures during the day. So basically that's the type of features that you have in there. And obviously another thing just to point it out between these two generations is the fact that obviously this will be opening and closing the valve on your radiators in your home. So definitely a massive improvement is the fact that this is much more quiet than this generation here. I don't know if I'll be able to show to you guys, but this is the old one. It's much more quiet, this new generation, than the previous one. Another thing just to point it out is, as you can see, where it's going to be in contact with your valve is much larger on the new generation than the previous one. So I'm just curious to see if this is going to give you better contact, because this one, sometimes when you are trying to attach, I was having some issues and I have to disattach, attach again and try to recalibrate. So maybe that is sorted also with this, but after it's attached and is working fine. I never had any issues whatsoever, and it always worked well. So overall, I was not expecting a new product that is already quite good, like is the Eve Thermo. I don't think that you have a better options for Apple HomeKit. I really think that Eve do an amazing job, and they look quite premium and they feel quite premium. But as you could see, there are some small details that makes the new generation better than the previous one. I think that the main one for me will be changing the temperatures overnight. If you have someone in the room sleeping, definitely is much quieter, but I couldn't really show you here on the video because obviously I can have them side by side and do the unboxing and showing you. But definitely when I just put the batteries, I could see the sound of it, and it was definitely not as loud as the previous generation. But don't think that is super loud. It's just me being very picky over a product that is being discontinued this generation to something that is new and is improved. My name is Marco, this is MedPack. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash a thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face. And I hope to see you in the next one.